In 1982, a powerful new player emerged in the digital world, Adobe. At the time, creative software was fragmented and out of reach for most aspiring designers. Adobe dreamed of making digital creation accessible, powerful, and essential for anyone with a vision. So it launched Photoshop and Illustrator, quickly becoming the backbone of the entire creative industry. A company that would transform how the world designs, edits, and shares ideas, achieving near monopoly status. For decades, Adobe was considered the absolute gold standard, cementing its place in tech history. But in 2013, Adobe made a massive strategic shift that would change creative workflows forever. They abandoned traditional perpetual licensing and pivoted to the Creative Cloud subscription model. Suddenly, creators no longer owned their software. They rented it, paying a recurring monthly fee. This pricing lock-in generated billions of dollars in highly predictable recurring revenue. By 2021, Adobe reached a staggering $300 billion market cap. Yet, this massive corporate financial success came at the cost of growing frustration among its user base. The growing tension reached a critical breaking point when Adobe silently updated its terms of service. The new clause demanded broad rights to scan, monitor, and access active user-generated projects. Adobe claimed this was for system maintenance and content moderation, but the community saw a darker motive. With the rise of generative AI, creators feared their proprietary work was being scraped to train Firefly. A massive rebellion erupted across the internet, with professionals calling for a global Adobe boycott. This terms of service update turned loyal users into active critics overnight. As the customer rebellion intensified, the federal government officially stepped into the arena. The Federal Trade Commission filed a major lawsuit against Adobe and its top executives. The government accused Adobe of trapping users in complex subscriptions by hiding expensive cancellation fees. The FTC alleged that cancelling a subscription was designed as an intentional, dark pattern maze. This legal war represents a massive threat to Adobe's subscription-driven business model. The corporate giant is now defending its exit fees in federal court. The era of the absolute creative monopoly is officially coming to a close. Modern web-native platforms like Figma and Canva have spent years eating away at Adobe's core markets. Even open-source alternatives like PenPot are gaining massive traction among developers and designers. The modern Creative Suite is no longer locked to a single desktop engine. Adobe's historical downfall serves as a warning to tech giants. Lose your community, and you lose your crown. The future of digital creation is open, collaborative, and decentralized.